Welcome back, guys. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the WhatsApp photos not showing in gallery issue. If photos and videos are visible on WhatsApp but are not appearing in your phone gallery, then this video will help you. I'll show you 3 quick methods, so watch till the end. Method 1. Open WhatsApp. Then click on the 3 dots. Tap Settings. Click Chats. And turn Media Visibility on. If it's turned off, your photos and videos may not appear in the gallery. Method 2. If only one person's photos are not showing, open that chat. Tap on the profile, then click Media Visibility and change it to Yes or Default. Method 3. Press and hold the WhatsApp app. Then tap the iInfo icon. Open Permissions and allow the Files and Media permission. These are the 3 methods. Comment below and tell me which one worked for you. If the video helped, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.